How to cancel flight reservation in Priceline. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to cancel flight reservation on Priceline. So what you have to do first is to have a Priceline account. Once you download the Priceline app, create an account so that you'll be able to use the features available on Priceline. So you open your Priceline app, and this is the interface you're going to see. Here you see at the top right corner you see the hotels icon. Then after that you see the cars icon. You also see the flights icon at the top left corner of your screen. At the lower part of your screen you see options, you see icons like the book icon, you see my trips icon, the notification icon. Also you see the three dots indicating more options icon. So now to cancel flight reservation in Priceline, all you have to do is to make sure that you click on the flight icon that is at the top left corner of your screen. Once you click on the flight icon, then you go to the lower part of your screen where we have those options and those icons, and you click on my trips icon. So once you click on my trips icon, the list of trips that you've had and the one you intend having will be displayed right on your screen. Here I do not have any trips yet, but for you should have trips, a list of trips. Then you simply click on the particular trip that you want to cancel. Once you click on it, make sure you read the terms and conditions guiding that applies to the cancellation of the flight reservation that you want to cancel. So once you've read it and you understand it and you're okay with the terms and conditions, you can go ahead to cancel, because there are some cancellations that are not refundable. So in case yours is refundable and you've not been refunded after canceling, you can contact the customer support to lay a complaint for in order for them to refund your money back to you. Okay, so this is simply how to go about it. So you can it's easy to cancel your reservation, but just ensure that you read the terms and conditions. Okay, so this is simply how to cancel flight reservation in Priceline. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.